You know what? It's recording.
Yep, Lily and I, West Coast grudge races. You sound crazy, you're on video right now. All right, we have a pretty rare, well, I wouldn't say it's pretty rare, but kind of hard to find now, 1/32 scale RC. Mystery unbox coming right now. There we go, SLR Nikko, full function. Says requires 1 9-volt and 2 AA's, but we can take it out and inspect it right now. But let's go ahead and open it and we'll see what it's like in here. Why pull it out? Okay, there's the car. Pretty cool. It's got the standard toy grade style steering and control arms and steering rack. Motor and gears feel good. Just takes 2 AA's. I can see if I have a 9-volt around here. Go check that in a minute. Body's hard plastic. Gotta watch for those mirrors. It is about 1/32 scale though, so that's good. Let's see. Cool. Pretty basic. Some type of rubber-ish tires. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna go check for a battery real quick. Okay, back in action. Was able to get a 9-volt to test this with. Get this out, put this in. Let's thread this in our control. There's no power button, so I think just when you go, you go. Let's grab some batteries. Again, with my trusty dusty Lupacell 2700 milliamp per hours. My favorite rechargeables. They make doubles and triples. They probably make other ones, but those are the ones I'm used to using. Make sure your switch is off. 1 battery. Ooh, that one's tight. Ooh, I don't want to push too hard on that. Got it. Okay. So go ahead and put this on. Okay. Moment of truth. Turn it on. Forward, reverse, right, left. Okay. I think we're in action. Let's move our case here. Drive off the edge of a cliff there. Alright. I almost did it. Alright, okay, let's check it out on the ground. Let's straighten this out. And we'll set this guy down over here. Alright, not bad. Goes pretty good. Goes a lot better than the Maisto ones. The Nikko seems to be a lot better. Jammed up in there, jammed up. Okay, let's Go down to the ground level here for the last little up close shot of this bad boy. And we'll call it for a day. It almost does burn off, which is cool. Bad. Got a pretty good turn radius too. That's gonna wrap it up for these Nikkos. Pretty fun, cheap, still toy grade. I would suggest saving and getting a Mini Z because they're modifiable and well made. As for the NewRay auto tune-ups, really cool concept. It comes with a remote control infrared watch, and they have die-cast bodies and some interchangeable parts. Those are cool features. The coolest part is they have an alarm function and a little engine sound coming from a speaker inside, and it is a great prop to have. Most of this stuff I get because I am into slot cars and I use them and the bodies and parts, so it works for me. Real fast, if you're thinking about getting these NewRay auto tune-up cars, they are 1/32 RCs. They have a die-cast body, which is awesome, but they are not functional. They barely work. The radio doesn't work if you're more than like a few feet away. And this one, the gear was stripped and I had to modify it, and it was just a huge waste of time. So just a quick video on to avoid these unless you're just going for the body. That's pretty much it. Quick test of one of those auto tune-ups. You can hear the alarm function, the engine sounds, but you can see coming up here in a second that they don't function very well. Here you can see what I'm talking about a little bit. Okay, everybody, that's going to wrap it up for these Nikko and NewRay 1/32 cars. See you guys next time.